According to TMZ, Kobe Bryant and at least 3 other people were in his private helicopter when the crash happened. I want to be very clear here. Fox has not been able to independently confirm this just yet, but TMZ and other local outlets are reporting that Kobe Bryant died in this helicopter crash. The LA County Sheriff's Office confirming that 5 people died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California, but they have not said who exactly was on that helicopter. So right now there is an intense response around that scene. Fire trucks are there, lots of law enforcement officials, the NTSB on the way. Kobe Bryant, of course, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He is just perhaps one of the biggest stars in all of Los Angeles. He played his entire 20-year career with the LA Lakers. He won 5 NBA championships. And now, by all of these reports, it appears that Kobe Bryant has passed away in this helicopter crash. TMZ is reporting that this was Kobe Bryant's private helicopter. Like I said, the LA County Sheriff's Office and whatnot, other local law enforcement on the scene have not confirmed exactly who this helicopter belonged to or even if Kobe Bryant was on board. But just a huge blow for the entire basketball community and, of course, Kobe Bryant's family, and for the 4 other people that are believed to have been in that helicopter as well. The LA County Sheriff's Office confirming, like I said, 5 people died in this crash, including Kobe Bryant, according to TMZ. And I believe in just a moment you're going to see some cell phone video. Here it is. So this is video of this scene, what we're seeing in Calabasas, California. TMZ reporting that there was some kind of fire on the aircraft, the helicopter, and that's why it went down. But you can see another helicopter overhead, the smoke obviously coming from the scene of this crash in Calabasas, California, not far from where Kobe Bryant, largely believed to be one of the greatest basketball players of all times, spent so many years playing, 20 years playing for the LA Lakers. We're going to go ahead right now and bring in Jim Gray. He is a well-known sports broadcaster and Fox News contributor.